In order to play music through mic in Roblox, you need to go ahead and launch the Roblox Player application on your device. Go to the game that you want to. Now, once you're inside the game, go ahead and turn on your microphone in the top left corner of your screen. You need to be 13 plus older and you need to verify your email address and all of your IDs to enable voice chat in your Roblox first. Once you have enabled this microphone option, go ahead, open your Spotify, then play any song that you want to. And if you enable this microphone in the top left corner of your screen, your music will be audible to all of the people inside the game. Or you can also open any web browser on your device, go to youtube.com, then go to the music section and play any music that you want to, and then go back to Roblox, open the microphone, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.